In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a file upload feature in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're gathering documents, images, or any other type of file from respondents, this feature is incredibly useful for collecting and organizing information efficiently. Our session today will guide you through each step to ensure a seamless experience. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Forms. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft Office website and logging into your account, where you'll find Microsoft Forms ready to go. Once you're there, you have a couple of options. You can either start fresh with a new quiz or form, or simply choose to edit an existing one. For today's example, though, we'll be creating a new form to show you all the steps from scratch. With your new form ready to be created, go ahead and click on New Form. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface where you'll start structuring your form. The next thing you'll want to do is focus on the kind of responses you want to collect. Microsoft Forms provides a range of answer types, but since we're focusing on file uploads today, you'll want to select the Upload a File option. This choice is critical for enabling respondents to submit files directly through your form. Now that you've selected Upload a File, it's time to type in your question. This is where you'll specify what kind of file you're expecting and provide any additional instructions your respondents might need to understand what's required. Next, let's move on to setting the parameters for your file upload. You need to think about how many files you want each respondent to upload. Is it a single document, or maybe multiple files? Set your file number limit accordingly. Equally important is determining the file size limit. Consider the type of files you're looking to collect, and then set a reasonable size limit to ensure you receive the submissions without overwhelming your storage capacity or the form's functionality. Also, if this file upload is crucial, you might want to mark the question as required. This ensures respondents can't submit the form without providing the necessary file, making it an essential step if this data is critical. As you're setting all these preferences, you might want to check how the form appears to your users. The preview feature is perfect for this. You can quickly switch to the preview mode to see exactly what the respondents will experience. Remember, there's no need to worry about losing any changes you make. Thankfully, Microsoft Forms has an autosave feature that saves your work continuously, so every adjustment is captured automatically. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to adding a file upload feature in Microsoft Forms. With these easy steps, you'll be well equipped to gather the files you need efficiently and effectively. Stay tuned for more tips, and happy form building.